everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kira, Island Socialist on Instagram, and my blog is islandsocialist.com. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys everything I made in the month of September. I'm also going to add in all my plans for October. So September was hashtag Sewman Pants, which was really fun. It was a great challenge. I really enjoyed it, and I only got 3 of the 4 stuff that I wanted to do, but that's still a lot, so I'm proud of myself. So I did 2 polos and 1 button up. If you haven't seen those videos yet, I'll link them down below so you can have a look. First one was the Love Notions Dockside, which I made in a grey French cherry from Fabric Mart. It was a success, and hubby wears that one all the time. The second one I made was a black, or kind of more on the charcoal side, cotton jersey polo, and that one was the Sinclair Patterns Oliver polo. That one was even more of a success, so that one is now hubby's new favorite polo pattern. And then the final thing I made was the navy blue with white anchors. That was a cotton fabric, and I made hubby's TNT shirt pattern, which is M6044, which I've spoken about a million times on my channel before. So those are the 3 things that you guys would have seen me post in the month of September. That does not mean that that's all I made. I had a lot going on, a lot of special projects, a lot of secret projects, and that's why I was only able to get 3 things done. I also want to take a moment here to say thank you to everybody who participated in hashtag Sewman Pants. We got a lot more entries than we anticipated. I'll knock this out of the park. I learned a lot about new male patterns that I didn't know about before, and I hope everybody had fun, and I'm already looking forward to next year. So thank you so much for taking part. And hopefully you'll join us again next year. And I hope you won something. I won something. I actually won 2 prizes. The first one, I won a gift card from Nature's Fabrics. Really excited about that because Myra has recently shared some fabrics that she got from them that she actually used to make her Sewman Pants entries. So they seem to have some pretty good stuff, and I can't wait to go on the website and browse around and pick what I want. The second thing I won was a male pattern from Love Notions. And funny enough, I won that one from the Dockside entry. So such a coincidence, right? I chose the Driftwood, which is actually the mini version, so the boys version of the Dockside. And I got this to make my nephew some gifts. We don't live in the same country, but I'm gonna make sure I get some stuff made so that the next time I go back home, or the next time somebody from my family comes here, then I'll have them ready. One of the main things that I was doing behind the scenes is something for Sewn Magazine. Yes, I'm going to be featured in the November-December issue of Sewn Magazine. Just in case you don't know about Sewn Magazine, I'll link the website down below, and you can pre-order your magazine. Pre-orders are usually on sale, so make sure you jump on that. Also, congrats to Vivian from Stitches and Seams. She was actually in the last issue of Sewn Magazine. So yeah, that's really exciting. Also during the month of September, but slightly running over into October, I was part of the Stylemaker Fabrics Fall Style Tour 2019. I was last on the list. So mine actually debuted in October, but I would have started working on my pieces in September. And I'll share more about those toward the end of this video. Another thing that I had going on in September was the Christmas special for Minerva. I made home decor pieces. I strayed a bit from the garment sewing this time, and I actually did table decor. Closer to the time, I'll start posting sneak peeks, and you guys will see what it is that I was working on that had me so crazy busy in September. So my plans for the month of October, as I mentioned before, I already made 2 things for the month of October, and those are for the Stylemaker Fabrics Fall Style Tour. I guess you would have seen them on Instagram already if you follow me. I made the most amazing corduroy cropped bomber jackets, and to go with that, I made a dress. This is the pattern here. It's McCall's M7971. I made view D with the length of view C. I had to do a ton of alterations, and you can read all about the alterations and everything on my blog. I think I'm gonna do a separate video on these 2 pieces because they got so much love, got a lot of questions. I could go really into detail because there's a lot of details that went into these 2 makes. Next on the list is the New Year special for Minerva. I'm kind of late with this one because I had so much going on in September, but this is the fabric. It is a multicolored sequin fabric. It has pink, navy, green, yellow, blue. This is just stunning. I already know what I'm going to make with this. I'm actually going to do a mashup of two McCall's patterns. It's going to be a maxi. That's all I'm saying for now. So I cannot wait to cut into this. I think I'm actually going to make this like within the next 2 days because, as I said, I'm kind of late. Then immediately after that, I fell in love with this pattern when it was released on the McCall's website. It's M7983. I love what the model is wearing. And I have two fabrics that are pretty much almost identical to what she's wearing. I have a rib knit in this exact rust color from Fabric Mart. And I found a stretch snakeskin leather in my local fabric store. It's very similar to what she's wearing. The only difference is that I would prefer to make view C skirt than view D because I'm short. And view D will probably hit my ankles. So I ordered my zippers already from Wawak. Yes, I ordered two. I ordered a black and a white because I wasn't sure what would go best with the fabric. I think I'm going to use the white, which then means I have a black to make another one. And to go with the other one, I think I'm going to change out this bodysuit. So my plan is with the black zipper, I have a piece of black corduroy in my stash, but it's only 1 yard. And I've gotten a bit chunky in the last few months, so I don't know if I can still crank a pencil skirt out of a 1 yard of fabric, but if I can, my plan is to make one of these tops to go with it. M8003. I don't know which one yet. This one has a bodysuit as well, so I may do the bodysuit. I have not chosen fabric for this yet, but since the bottom will be black, if I can use that corduroy, then I can pretty much do any color and it will look good. Then if I have enough time left in October, because October is already flying way faster than I can keep up with, I also got this pattern, M7996. I've seen some really cute versions of this on Instagram, and if I can find the right shade of denim that I have in mind for this, then I will try to knock this out in October. If not, I may have to order something from online and then this will get pushed to probably November. But these are the 3 things that I want to do so far. Is that 3? 4. That's 4 actually. The sequin, and then the rust combo with the snakeskin, and then the corduroy combo with the cutout sweater, and then this one. So that's 4 little outfits that I would like to knock out for the month of October. Wish me luck, you guys. Also, if you can tell, I just got a huge amount of Big 4 patterns sent to me from my girl Marika Overdrive After 30. You know, I always have to hail her because she comes through every time. These patterns were part of a last minute request for the dress for Style Maker Fabrics. I figured it doesn't make sense for her to ship one, so I asked her a bunch one time, and I still have a lot more to show you guys. So I'm going to do a separate video, a Big 4 pattern haul. Karina just did one of those, so I'll link a video down below so you can go check it out as well. So yes, that is it for me. Those are the things I made in September, only some on pants, well, that you've seen. And I have a ton of exciting plans for October. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what are your plans for October, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!